Hello everyone. Previously we had discussed on the nested loops, right? So today we'll be discussing on the iterables. So just give me a second here. So here, uh, let's discuss about the iterables, right? So let's get into the definition part. An iterable is any Python object that is capable of returning its elements one at a time, right? So it is similar to lists, strings, or the tuples, right? So just listen to this again. An iterable in is any Python object that is capable of returning its element one at a time. That is capable of returning its elements one at a time, like strings, lists, or tuples, right? So let's go with the example, right? So before getting into the example, let me tell you one thing. So we can make use of the for loops over iterables, right? So we can make use of the for loops over iterables. So internally iterables implement basically this method. So I'll just go with underscore iter underscore this one, right? So we can make use of the for loops over iterables, and internally iterables implement the this one iter this with the function this method, right? So just keep this in mind. I'll just go with a very simple example. So let me go with the variable name items, which is an array consisting of the element apple, mm, banana, and let me consider one more fruit. So this one, cherry, right? So this is fine. Let me go with for loop here for fruit in items. So I've considered the variable name items, right? So array name basically. So here within the for loop, let's print the individual fruit. So I'll just go with print individual fruit in the items. So this is fine. So here items is a list. So items is a list. This one I'm speaking of. Items is a list. Items is a list, basically iterable. So this is nothing but iterable. Again, I'm telling items is a list which is an iterable here, right? So items is a list which is an iterable, and each fruit is printed in order. Each fruit is printed in order. So the output that we need to get here is apple followed by banana followed by cherry, right? So let's check the same thing. I'll just go with Python. So the file name here, let me come here, let me copy the file name, let me paste it over here .py. So the output that we are getting here is apple, banana, cherry, right? So apple, banana, cherry, right? I hope this one iterables part is completely clear. Iterables concept is completely clear, basically, right? So each string in the list is printed once in the order, right? Each string in the list, each string, this is each string in the list is printed in the order. So see here, apple, banana, cherry, right? So this is it for the iterables. Simple to understand, right? Let me tell you once again that we can make use of for loops over iterables. We can make use of for loops over iterables. Internally iterables implement the underscore iter underscore this one method which I wrote in the beginning, right? That I showed for you. Basically just keep this in mind. Also one more thing, iterables are containers. Let me summarize that whatever we have learned so far. So just remember this one sentence: iterables are containers we can loop over using for loops. Iterables are containers we can loop over using for loops, right? I hope the iterables part is completely clear, right? So next we'll be discussing on the while loops. For now, this is it. Thanks for watching, guys.